This is Qingdao Rufengyuan Machinery Technology Company Limited. As a high-tech and specialized enterprise supported by the Qingdao municipal government, Rufengyuan Machinery has been deeply engaged in the general equipment manufacturing field for 9 years, with business covering robotic structural parts, construction machinery chassis, and metal casting products. Faced with the stringent requirements of high-end customers for precision components, traditional machining methods face challenges. Complex curved parts rely on multiple machines for step-by-step processing. Plasma cutting of medium and thick plates causes severe slag buildup. These issues hinder the delivery of high-end parts. However, since the RITMAN GG26040 entered production, significant breakthroughs have been achieved in production efficiency, precision control, and cost optimization. Ultra-large format, one-piece cutting and time-saving segmented processing reduce processing time for large metal materials by 60%, and high-power cutting is over 3 times faster than traditional plasma cutting. RITMAN Laser's after-sales service is also excellent. Thanks to RITMAN's GG26040 multifunction laser cutting machine, this equipment has completely changed our production landscape. Choosing RITMAN means not only choosing cutting-edge equipment, but also choosing a trustworthy long-term partnership.